Alright, this is Chris again today. We're going to be doing a flooring project today for a customer. She picked the original CoreTec, one of the top of line vinyl planks, vinyl tiles, luxury vinyl tile. It's a new hot product everyone's putting in. A lot of times it eliminates rip outs, so you don't have to put down an underlayment, no glue, no mess. You just install it right over your existing floor. And this is the project we're working on today. These are actually 24 by 16s. And we're just going to finish this area here, roll the fridge on, and show you what it looks like when we're done. Yeah, basically what you want to do is you want to take your end and you want to put that end in first. Like so. And then you want to just pull that to yourself. Like that. It just pops right in. One of the easiest floors to put in. Now if you ever get around a door jamb and you can't tilt that tile to get in there, in those areas you can shave the lip. And that's the secret of the professionals. Okay, also, if you ever find yourself in a position where you don't have a tapping block, you can make actually a tapping block from the actual product using the right lip. You put it down on there to close up them gaps sometimes, and it falls right into place without damaging the lip. With specifically this product, CoreTec, you really don't even need a special $200 snapper. I mean, you can get one, but I've done so many just like this. You just all you need is a marker, straight edge, make your line, score it one time, and then just snap it over your knee. Slide her in. Alright, so when you're dealing with a fridge, and it's a real big one, and you can't move it very much, what I like to do is just take this scrap piece and I put it down right there, get it up on and roll it forward, do the flooring, roll the fridge back. And then also, when you're working into a room where the tile actually goes into the next room, you got to have your door jamb all cut in with a trusty undercut saw. I have a Dremel, but my other guy actually has it at his house, so I had to use my old school. But then after this piece is in, what you want to do is you want to shave that lip. And you're going to take your knife and just go along and you cut that lip off. Once you have that lip shaved on the end, you want to leave this here, but then shave it right here. Because when you bring it here, you won't be able to lift this up to be able to get it together. So you need to have that shaved about right here. So you take your piece that I cut, and you get it dropped in there, like so. And then that way, having that lip gone, now I can take it this way, and then I can bring it this way. Once you have it shaved, and you tap it together, you see that there's a nice tight seam there. And we have now worked into the laundry room. Okay, well, once you have this shaved here and here, now you have your piece cut, and what you can do, make it easier to get it in, is you just put it in over here, and then what you want to do is you want to tap it and slide it into place. Alright, well, once you have your piece cut, put it in there, get your tapping block, tap it into place until that closes. nice and tight. All right, all the hard cuts are done now. Should be pretty easy the rest of the way.